Hello, I'm Casey from Whole Child Counseling, and I'm going to show you how I use a consult log. If you are on students' IEPs as a scheduled consult, maybe it's weekly or monthly or however often it is, I use this consult log to keep track of those consults and what happens and what I need to do next. So let's take a look. So this is the consult log. The first thing you're going to do is just input the date here, and then you can change the title of the document here. So just make the date and then have it say consult log. Then what you can do is go to file and move, and you can move a copy into your organizational templates folder in your Google Drive to keep everything nice and organized there. So when adding a student's name, what you want to do is highlight it and then write the name. The reason you do this is because it puts it on the clickable table of contents there. If you're pasting something to the table, and I'm just going to paste this in and the formatting is off, you can highlight it and click this crossed out T, which clears the formatting. And then if you want to, you can, change the text size or whatever. If you make a mistake, you can just hit the undo button, and there's a redo button there. The undo button, you can also hit Command Z on Mac or Control Z on Windows. If you want to add something to the clickable table of contents that's not here, what you would do is just type it like reminder, check accommodation list. I don't know what you're going to add. We're going to highlight it. See this normal text drop box? We're going to click that and hit heading 2, apply heading 2. That's going to put it right on our clickable table of contents. And I'm just going to delete that because I don't really need it. If you don't see the clickable table of contents on the left, this is also called an outline, hit view and then show outline. So that will show it there. If you want to add a page break, maybe you want to print these and you just want to have one student per page. All you do is go where you put your cursor where you want the page break. Go to insert and then break, page break, and it will just bring it right to the next page. So I put my cursor where I want to, insert, break, page break. If you're typing something and the words are cut off, well, they're not cut off here because the wrapping is on. You know what? I guess we don't. This isn't. I was thinking it was like a spreadsheet, but that won't happen here. So just pretend I didn't say that. We're not going to worry about that because that won't be an issue. That's why I do have this on a Google Doc instead of a spreadsheet, because I do tend to write a lot more on a consult log. Okay. So we don't have to worry about wrapping text. If you want to add more consult time, just go down to the templates. You're going to copy where it says student name template, copy the whole table. So you can highlight it and right click copy. And then wherever you want it, you're just going to paste it. And the reason you're including that too is because we want to add that in. So I gave you like 6, but if you need more, you just copy them right here from the templates. If you want to add a row in, maybe there's something more that you want to add in here that I didn't put, just right click within a column and you can click insert column left or insert column right. You might have to shift around, how the width of the columns by just kind of dragging them like that. And then if you want to delete a column, just right click in the column and then delete column. And then if you want to delete a row, same thing, right click in it, delete row. Same thing for adding a row, right click in, insert row above or below. If you want to delete a whole table, maybe you only have one person who's, you are a consult for, and you want to delete a whole table, just click anywhere in the table, right click and hit delete table. You would then just have to delete the name too. If you want to search within the document, you could hit Command F on a Mac or Control F on a Windows computer, and this little pop-up Finder document comes in. And so maybe I want to do Hillary, and there it is. Since there's only one Hillary, it doesn't show, but I'll show you here. I put to do in, and then you just click the arrow and it brings you along. Oh, those are the directions there, so you don't need those. It brings you along to a bunch of them. So that is the consult log, and you would put in, how often, 1 times 15 a month maybe the consult is. You would put the date the plan was signed. So we're just going to kind of pretend here like 9/15/25. I'm just changing the text because I like, maybe the preferred time is when the teacher says, like, so maybe it's like Wednesdays after 1 or Friday before 9. I don't know. Whenever the teacher says that is her preferred time. And then the contact name would just be, the teacher's name, the date of the contact, any notes like Mr. Clark, reports, and any follow-up or to-do that you need to do. So that's how you fill out the contact log as well.